1200 mil from, that could have been bad. We're here in Brighton again, doing another Alfresco area, really popular around this area. So a couple of things that go wrong with these. Number one is clients not realizing they need a 1.2 meter clearance minimum from the grill to the Rangehood. So it's actually quite high. We've gone 10 mil above to be safe. If you don't have the height for that and you've bought the wrong type of product, that can be a real issue because you can't physically fit the product in. With this one here, what we've got opted for is the Boston 1200 by Whispair. This one's running off external roof-mounted motor, available in single and twin motor. So this product's getting us out a lot of jams lately because of the size of it. So we're quite happy with it, quite impressed with the quality as well. And it's made here in Australia, in Melbourne actually. So that's why we've opted for the Whispair, and they're all around very good product. So what the client's gone and done is boxed it all in stainless steel. It's come up really nice. It's quite a shallow unit, which allowed us space to roll around with our ducting around the obstructions that were up here that the client wasn't aware of beforehand. Here you can see we've got our finished surface there that Paul, our client, could not install the original his original product that he purchased in this space because he did not have the room to install the product and also achieve that height. So another factor to consider is really spanning over the product as well, especially with these hoods that blow the smoke forward a little bit. So it's really important to get these products actually span over. This one here has been situated further out with the box built around it to make sure it really is going to actually work and actually suck up all that smoke. If this was an enclosed area or even a spot that had the potential to be closed with slider doors, etc., we would have to install what's called an interlock system. An interlock system is a device that detects whether or not the Rangehood is actually operating, sends a signal to a solenoid below in the piping, to the gas piping that feeds the barbecue, and if the Rangehood's not on, it doesn't allow gas through. Now, this is to make sure that nobody's running these systems without proper ventilation in enclosed areas. To install interlocks, it has to be considered early on because these cables need to be run in the wall when you've got access to it. It's not something that can be thought about later, and in many cases in these enclosed areas it won't be compliant without it. So that's something to also consider. We really encourage people to reach out early with these. We'll come out, we'll help you figure out products. Certain products we can actually design, custom build as well. So that's a lot of what we're doing lately, getting people out of jams, especially when a lot of people have designed their outdoor area for a specific product to then find out that it's not going to work, they've got to change cabinetry, all sorts of things. So the earlier, the better. Like all of these high-end Rangehood products, the earlier the better, especially these big Alfresco units. So get in touch with us early. Sammy, fire it up, come on. Fire it up. Get off your ass. Don't burn your eyebrows off. Or match your legs. He shaves them. They all shave them. I told him stop doing it. I banned it. They don't listen. I'll show Paul. I'll go get him.
No, this is amazing.
Beautiful.
Wow. Very nice barbecue.
Looks good. I'm really happy with how this came out. Oh, and your remote's working.
Yes. Oh, is it?
Yeah, I got it working.
So was it?
So we're on camera here.
Absolutely. The best.
Should I start rambling? We're in Brighton again. We're always in Brighton, especially for these.